In this video, we will show you how to replace your wiper switch assembly on this Honda Accord. This will be located along the side of your steering column. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Looking underneath the steering column, we're going to remove the steering column cover by removing several Phillips head screws. You'll find that you have one towards the driver's side. Making your way towards the passenger side, you'll find several others, and then one down here. We'll use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove each of these. There's that one. There should be one in here. There should be one right there. Ours are missing. Make our way across. One right up in here. There's another one. Now that we have those out, let's make our way over towards where that lock cylinder is. There's one hidden right up in this corner. Now we can take hold of the lever here and move this up and down as necessary and start removing this. Let's give that a quick inspection and we can set it aside. Now we can remove the upper housing cover here. With that out of the way, that exposes our wiper switch assembly and also our electrical connector leading along the back side. We'll start with disconnecting that electrical connector. For this, typically you just want to squeeze down on the locking tab. It's a little hard to gain access to, so I'll just use a small pocket screwdriver. You could use your hand. A quick inspection of the electrical connector. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now we can start dismounting this from the steering column. Now the next thing we need to do is remove two Phillips head screws, but what you'll have to do is put the key in the on position for this so we can turn the steering wheel. Now there's one screw here and one just above it. Go ahead and remove the pair. Get these screws out of here. There's one of the little screws. The second one here. At this point, we'll take hold of the wiper switch and give it a tug straight towards the passenger side of the vehicle, removing it from the steering column. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's prepare for installation. We'll take this and carefully slide it into place. Just get it aligned, press it in. Listen for a click. We'll give it a light tug just to make sure it's in there properly. Continue on with your two Phillips head screws. We'll start each of these in by hand before snugging them. Now we can tighten them with our Phillips head. Double check to make sure that's completely secure. Make your way along the back side for that electrical connector. Just get this aligned and press it in. Double check to make sure that's secured to the back of your wiper switch. Now we can reinstall our steering column covers here. We'll start along the top. That should rest right into position. Once you have that on there, continue on down along the bottom trim panel there. When we go to put this in position, we want to make sure we slide it over the adjustment lever. Bring it right in there. It's like under this area. Now we can start putting the two covers together here. Just want to align them and press them in. Now as we start pressing this together, we'll continue on with our mounting screw in the corner here. Together. All right, that one started in as well. Now, as I mentioned, ours was missing several screws. You just want to make sure you start in each of them and then you can snug them up. Let me get this one in here. Just have to move this around as necessary. All right, let's snug them up. Press this together. Now there should be two up in here. Let's get this last one over here. Double check to make sure that's completely secure. Lock your steering column in the proper placement. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality. Put the key in the on position and make sure the wipers function as they should. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.